Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the Orange Den Garage. It's Wyatt speaking. Nice to see you guys this morning. Today's a little bit different video than normal. I normally do all my own oil changes and all my own maintenance, but you know, if you guys seen videos or whatever, we're in the process of moving, so I don't have anywhere to do them. So today we're gonna take my 2015 Lincoln MKC to the dealership to see how much the oil change is gonna be. But that's not all in this video. We're going to a Ford dealership, so who knows what we'll see. Maybe we'll see some Mustangs along the way, check them out, and yeah. So let's see it going. About to go show you guys the Lincoln real quick, and we're gonna head over to the dealership. So here's our Lincoln MKC right here, my wife's car. It's very nice. You guys see the little lights came on. Those are the welcome lights. Anytime you have your key in your pocket, and you get within proximity of the vehicle, the lights come on. So we got the daytime running lights here. There's lights here and the handles in each one. A Lincoln logo comes down onto the ground. It's hard to see because it's morning, but a Lincoln emblem shines down here. But it's a really nice car, really comfortable. It's basically like a luxury lifted hatchback in a way. It's turbocharged, 2.0 liter turbo EcoBoost motor that's in the Mustang as well. But it's a fun car to drive, and we're gonna go bring it over to the dealership now and see what the price is for this oil change. I am interested to know. I don't, like I said before, I don't bring the cars to the dealership for oil change, so to see the customer side is a little bit different. But let's go ahead and jump in. All right, guys, clicked in. Let's get going. Over to the dealership. Shouldn't be too much of a drive. All right, guys, so you see I have the mask on. I'm at the dealership. I'm outside now, so I'm about to just take it off. But dropped off the Lincoln, and it's in there for service. I'm gonna take a look around. Got this nice Mustang behind me, a GT. I like the wheels on it. But let's take a look at that. Let's take a look around the dealership, see if we see anything cool, special. There's a couple of nice SUVs inside, Edge ST and Explorer ST. They're pretty nice. I'll pop in pictures here. I just didn't want to, you know, record inside and, have this has a whole bunch of questions and stuff. So I just, I took a couple pictures. I'll pop them in. They're really nice. But other than that, we're just gonna wait for the MKC to be done. But let's go take a look around the lot. Maybe we'll see something cool. All right, like I was saying, right behind me there was a Ford Mustang GT. These wheels are gorgeous. I love these. It's got the Brembos on it. Very nice color. There's like that hyper silver. So cool. I like how that looks a lot. But like I said, it's the 5.0. It's the GT. This one's got like slicks on the back. Extra grippy tires, Michelin's. Very nice. 305s in the rear, a 19-inch wheel. And in the front we got, what do we got up here? Still 305, so it's not an offset. It's actually the same on all four corners. Let's see what we got for a price. $47,000. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And this one actually is a manual. It's a 2020, so blacked out GT. You guys can see the exhaust down here, pretty cool. Got the reverse light here, the middle. Nice little lip spoiler. But I really like the wheels. The wheels are sharp. It makes it look good. But, so, let's go take a look around the dealership. Maybe we'll see something else. Nice, brisk morning. Take a walk with you guys. This is their used cars. You guys see anything here that you're interested in this video, make sure to check out Mitchell Seelig Ford's website here in Windsor, Connecticut, and they'll hook you up. This is looking real interesting right here. Got a nice WRX STI here. I believe it's a STI. It's got the wing. Or is this a clone? It's looking like a clone. Yeah, so it's a WRX. It's got the wing for the STI. It's got a nice set of wheels on it. Black. I'm not sure what brand those are. If you guys know what brand they are, let me know in the comments. 2018. It's in the WR blue, of course. It's got the license plate holder over here. Pretty nice. Of course, manual. It's tinted pretty dark. I love the color. I always love this color. STI and WRX has always been an interesting car for me. Waiting to see when the next gen comes out. Everybody's been waiting patiently, but like I said, this is here at Mitchell Seelig Ford in Windsor, Connecticut. If you guys are interested in it, come and check it out. But let's see what else they got. Take a walk down here, see if there's anything new. This is their used cars over here. A lot of trucks. You guys need a truck, they have plenty. Come on down, check it out. Got some Escapes. Got a new Escape here. Looks very similar to the MKC. It has like a more rounder look. This is the new body style, but this one is used. It's pretty nice, slick looking. It looks very much like the MKC. They kind of like took that design and updated it and made it the Escape. See what else they got. Got a pretty cool looking Mustang over here. Let's see what that's about. Let's see what we got over here. This might be the one of the day. The coolest one on the lot. I love this color. The color is really cool. Let's see. So we have the GT Premium. This color is called Velocity Blue. This is a 2020 as well, just like the black one I showed you before. This one's priced at $44,000. It does not have the Brembos on it, so it's a little bit different. It's a lower spec GT. That one's more for higher performance, so that it has like the Brembos on it. I mean, those are expensive on its own, but this one is manual as well. It's a pretty nice looking car. I like the color a lot. If it had the Brembos on it, it might be a little bit, be a little better. But this is the California Special, so this is still the special edition. I was wondering what the CS stood for. I'm more of a Camaro guy, so I'm over here, showing off some other vehicles. Trying to see what Ford has to offer here. But this is the California Special, so this is pretty cool, pretty unique. Probably not many in Connecticut with this, like this one. But the color is gorgeous. Like, I really like it a lot. And I like the wheels better on the one that's up in the front too. But there's a couple of changes and this one could be really good. See what else they got. They have a navy blue GT here as well. We have another ST Edge. Like I was saying, there's one inside. It's pretty cool. Pretty nice SUV. This is where everybody's going. Performance crossovers are like, I mean, everybody knows this is what's going. Like, this is what America wants. People want utility. They want to be able to, bring their family with them, but still have fun at the same time. So it's just how it is now. After that crisis with SUVs, when the stock market crashed, over 10 years ago, that all these automakers figured out how to, make these more efficient. So they're not going anywhere anytime soon. Like I was saying, there's an ST Explorer inside as well, but here's one in black. Here's one in, I gotta see what this color is called because the edge inside is also this color. Let's see if they have the, there's the Manager Special, so the window stickers aren't on it, but I'll get you the name of the color. I'll pop it in here to the screen. Doot, doot. But very nice. The new Explorer looks good, especially with the ST trim. I like the new headlights coming across instead of like up or whatever. It looks finished. The refresh of the last Explorer was okay. I liked it when they changed this type of body years ago. I liked how it looked like that. The refresh just looked kind of cheap to me, but now it looks a lot better. This new generation Explorer, it looks fit and finished. But there's the first ST for an Explorer, just like that's the first ST for an Edge. Quad exhaust here, pretty cool. That color over there looks dope. Here's a platinum one, which is a very expensive one as well. A lot of Explorers here. I think I see another ST Edge. That color looks sharp in it too. A lot of manager specials out here, guys. You might be able to get yourself a nice deal here at Mitchell Seelig Ford. A lot of manager specials. But this one has a nice charcoal gray on it. Looks nice. Red calipers. Blacked out wheels. Very nice looking car as well. I love, like the Edge has like a, I don't know, it just has like a cool feel around it. Like it has like a nice presence to it. Good size. It's definitely a good size for a mid-size crossover, but I don't know, not really. That's all I'm really seeing for performance cars. Not a whole lot here. There's a shortage across America with inventory due to COVID, so it's probably the reasoning why there's not that many cars to look at. But you always can order one. Let me just flip this around. Like I was saying, you guys can always order a car, whatever you want. We all know the new Bronco is coming. I can't wait to see that in person coming in the spring. My wife is really interested in it. I'm interested in it. But that might be a future car on the channel, so stay tuned. As soon as maybe I'll be able to come to this dealership here and, you know, do a review on it. Like, I would love to do that. They're already taking orders for it, so if you guys are interested in the new Bronco, make sure to place an order if you really want it right this minute, because I have a feeling there's not going to be a whole lot on the dealer lots right when they come out. They're going to deal with the customer orders first, so it's going to be kind of tough, you know, it's such a highly like anticipated vehicle that it's just like the C8 Corvette. It's a similar type of thing. No dealerships have them. Really have them in stock, so you have to, you know, place your order as early as possible if you really want the vehicle. But if not, then, you know, be patient and wait and see if one comes to a dealership. Maybe you'll be able to see one that somebody bought, and then you really determine if, oh yeah, I want one of these too, and then you spec it out the way you want. I heard that the new Bronco has over 200 accessories to add to it, so that's really interesting as well. Who knows? That catalog is gonna be crazy to spec one out. I just wonder how they're gonna be able to have all these parts for one vehicle. Like, everything's got to be ordered. Like, dealerships aren't going to hold all these specific parts. Like, you're going to fill up the shelves with one car, and they have many vehicles to choose from with a lot of accessories and parts just for maintenance and to fix them. So it's going to be really cool. Bronco is dope, but I think that about closes it out here at Mitchell Seelig Ford. There's not anything like, you know, that really stands out. I was hoping to see like a GT350, a GT500, something like that to spark some interest performance-wise, but they just have the normal GT, which is fine. You can build it as well, but you know, I want to see what Ford does with their performance cars, but they don't have any here, so that's unfortunate. But that's about it for this part of the video. Stay tuned, and we're about to finish it out. Hopefully get the MKC back soon, and hopefully not a whole lot of damage on that bill. Stay tuned, guys. I'm about to go chill out in the waiting room. All right, guys, back in the Lincoln now. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. $59.99 to get an oil change and rotate is not bad as a customer, I don't think, especially for a luxury car, because this is a luxury brand. So the oil change rotate. They told me that I'm gonna need to get new air filters. You know, I'll do it myself. There's a video coming for that, and that the charge for the battery is a little low, so I could have some trouble this winter coming up. But I'm going to take care of that as well. That'll be in the next video for the Lincoln MKC when I get the parts for it. So stay tuned for that. It's like a how-to video, so I'll show you guys how to install all three. And I'm going to learn as well because this is the first time I've done this on a Lincoln. So, like always, guys, this is Orange Den Garage. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm Wyatt, and hope you guys have a great day. And like we always do here at the Orange Den Garage, we envision our dreams, and we're going to keep on envisioning those dreams. Stay tuned for more episodes coming soon. Thank you guys for watching, and later.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.